astronaut flying so high. B is for black hole swirling in the sky. C is for comet zooming so fast. D is for dust, space dust that lasts. E is for earth so big and bright, spinning around in the starry night. A, B, C, fly with me, let's explore the galaxy. Zoom, zoom, past the stars, learning letters near and far. F is for fireball burning so bright. G is for galaxy, a sparkling sight. H is for helmet to help us revive. I is for is floating up high. J is for Jupiter, giant and round, with colorful stripes spinning all around. A, B, C, fly with me, let's explore the galaxy. Zoom, zoom, past the stars, learning letters near and far. K is for Kuiper Belt, icy and cold. L is for lunar landers, brave and bold. M is for meteor flashing at night. L is for nebula glowing so bright. O is for orbit round and round, planets and moons never touch the ground. A, B, C, fly with me, let's explore the galaxy. Zoom, zoom, past the stars, learning letters near and far. Goes P is for Pluto, tiny but cool. Q is for quasar, shining like a jewel. R is for rocket, zooming so fast. S is for Saturn with rings so vast. For T is for telescope, looking so far, finding new planets and bright shooting stars. U is for UFO, flying real quick. T is for Venus, so hot and bitter. U is for wormhole, a mystery place. X is for X-ray waves in space. Y is for yellow dwarf like our sun. Z is for Zodiac, our space map.